Good morning. Today we'll have a look at how to update the qualify and disqualify buttons on the lead menu. So let's have a quick look at it. We'll go to Sales and Leads. By default, we have under disqualify, we have lost, cannot contact, no longer interested, and cancelled. Some clients might want to update this, change or delete any of these options. In order to do this, we need to go to Settings, Customization, customize the system, and we need to expand the entities menu, then go down and find the leads entity. And we will expand the leads entity. Go to Fields. I'm going to order the grid by display name, and then go and find the status reason field. Double click on the status reason field, and you will be presented with the screen to edit the options. We want to change the status to disqualified at the bottom, and over here you can see the same options that we saw earlier in the video. We can go ahead and add and click OK. And we can edit the list as you wish. You can edit any of the existing options. If you delete an option and that option is being used in any of the records, those records will be affected and will not have that status reason associated with them anymore. Once we've done this and added or edited the list, you click Save and Close. And we want to publish all customization. Once the customization has been published, we can go back to the lead again, and this time we should see the additional item that we added to the disqualify lead. Hope this has been helpful. Until next time, thank you.
For more Dynamics 365 support and to learn how we can help you get the most out of your CRM system, click the link on your screen.